In this video, we are going to learn about how to cancel noise in Premiere Pro. Basically, if you have noise and you don't want that noise to be heard in your video clips, so just go to effects. Here you can press denoise, or you can go to audio effect, and here you can see noise reduction and restoration. Click into denoise, drag and drop that denoise effect into the audio clip, and now go to the effect controls. In effect control, there are custom setup and channel map. We will go to custom setup. Here you can see default heavy noise reduction, light noise reduction. If you press heavy noise reduction, the noise will be reduced so much, like only you can focus on the main audio. But if you want light reduction, the noise will be there, but it will merge with the audio, but most of the noise will be reduced. You can practice and you can find out which noise reduction is best for your videos. So that's it for today. I'll see you in the next one.